You have probably stepped on this mushroom and you didn't even know it was edible. We're talking about the hedgehog mushroom, and here we found an abundance of them. And these mushrooms are absolutely delicious, and the best thing about them is there aren't any other mushrooms that look anything like these. They have really cool spikes running underneath the bottom, where most other mushrooms would have gills. So this is the main telltale trait of this mushroom. And really, if you find this, it's great because there's usually a lot more around. And once you find a good spot for these, they'll come back every year at the same time, so you won't even have to go to the supermarket for your mushrooms. And here we cook them with a little bit of butter, and they were absolutely delicious. So go out and try and find yourself some.
Yeah.